Well, welcome back, everyone. I'd like you now to do some more calculations measuring incidence measures. Now we're going to focus on incidence rates using the same data we had before. We just looked at the cumulative incidence of death among men, women, and all participants in our study. Now I want to talk about the incidence rates. So what we have in our data set now are, if you followed all the men for 24 years and counted how much years each person contributed to the follow-up. Remember, the follow-up ends either when a person dies or when the study ends 24 years later. Each person has their own timeline. If you add up the years in each person's timeline, we would observe a grand total of 38,287.33 person years of follow-up among the men. And 843 of those men died during that follow-up. Among women, we observed 52,828.26 years of follow-up. And out of those years of follow-up, 707 women died. And in total, men and women together, we had 91,151.59 years of follow-up, and we observed a total of 1,550 deaths happening during those years of follow-up. So the calculations I want you to do now is to repeat more or less what we did last time, now measuring incidence rates rather than cumulative incidence. What's the incidence rate of death among all participants, among just the men, and among just the women? So do those calculations, and next time we'll check our answers with each other. See you then.